Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. So today we're gonna be showing you how to make the best chicken curry ever. If you can't handle the spice, I don't recommend you trying this because you will be crying. I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be very spicy, so you might have to get some milk ready when you start eating it. So first you put some oil in your pan and let it heat up. After you see the oil get heated up, you add your garlic. Let the garlic cook for a few minutes and wait until it turns golden brown. Then we add ginger and mix it around a little bit. Once you add the pandan leaves and curry leaves, it gives such a great smell. I wish I could add a smell clip to this video. While we're cooking the ingredients, I'll include some fun facts about the ingredients used in this video. Curry leaves are good for diabetes, indigestion, kidney problems, and hair and skin problems. Before I tell you the next educational fun fact, I wanted to say that now we're adding the chili powder, curry powder, and turmeric into the mix. Now that you know what's being added, let's move on to the pandan leaves fun fact. They're also good at relieving pain when it comes to cramps, spasms, headaches, and it could help lower your blood pressure. Once everything is mixed into a dry paste, you could start adding your marinated chicken. You mix your chicken in the dry paste of ingredients we added before and let it get coated. Next up on the fun fact train is cloves. Cloves are the one that looks like a tiny little dried off tea. Cloves have very high antioxidant and it could also improve your liver health. You might think, why are you guys adding jalapenos after adding that much chili powder? But we're Sri Lankan, we eat spice all the time. But it's not a necessary ingredient. Now to the tip I promised you in the beginning of the video. If you're somebody who can't handle this much spice, one of the options you have is reduce the spice by adding some coconut milk to the gravy. And that would give the gravy more creamier taste as well as reducing the spice. So when you add the water to the bowl that the marinated chicken was sitting, so you kinda get the gravy, the marination out of the bowl. You have to close the pan and let the chicken simmer in its gravy. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and please stay tuned for the next video.